Hey everyone, thinking of upgrading your content game with Instories? In this quick review, we'll break down what the app offers, what users are saying, and whether it's actually worth your time or money. All the information in this video is based on public research and personal opinion. Instories by Wiley Studio is a design and video editor made for stories, reels, and TikTok. It promises hundreds of animated templates, and user-friendly interface, and fast social media-ready exports. It's available on iOS and Android. On Google Play, Instories has a 3.9 star rating based on over 40,000 reviews. Many users praise it for its ease of use and high-quality templates. One reviewer said so easy to edit videos, and obviously good work isn't free. However, not everything is smooth. A 5-star reviewer still pointed out glitches and issues with the premium subscription. The developers did respond and said they're working on a fix which shows some level of customer support. The pros are easy to use, great looking templates, fast exporting, developer is responsive, while the cons are premium content can be pricey, occasional glitches, no real-time customer support. For the final verdict, InStories is a visual polished app that's ideal for content creators who want fast, stylish story edits. However, the glitches and pricing may be a deal breaker for some. If you're okay with occasional bugs and don't mind spending for good design, it's worth a shot. We'd rate it 7 out of 10, good for casual and semi-pro creators, but still has room to improve. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.